Solar panel scam. This editorial addresses the large-scale financial fraud in solar panel imports. The scam involving over-invoicing to the tune of more than Rs 69 billion in the import of solar panels raises many questions regarding the capacity and willingness of various links in the import chain banks and customs authorities, as well as regulatory bodies to detect and prevent trade-based money laundering as per their responsibility. Scam means a dishonest scheme or fraud. Over-invoicing means falsely increasing the price of goods on official documents. To the tune of means approximately or around. It is an idiomatic expression. Capacity means ability or capability. Willingness means readiness to act. Import chain means the different steps and people involved in bringing goods into a country. Regulatory bodies means organizations responsible for enforcing laws. Detect and prevent means to find and stop something. Money laundering means hiding illegal money by passing it through legal transactions. It also underlines the presence of chinks in our AML-CEFT regime. Underlines means emphasizes or highlights. Chinks means weaknesses or flaws. AML-CEFT regime means anti-money laundering and countering financing of terrorism, rules and policies. It is astounding that no one in the chain saw that most companies involved in money laundering did not have the financial capacity to import solar panels on such a large scale. Astounding means very surprising. Money laundering means illegally moving money to hide its real source. Financial capacity means the ability to afford something. Large scale means in very big amounts. It is unacceptable that the fact that many of them were closely linked to one another and stolen identities were used to pull off the scam went unnoticed. Unacceptable means not acceptable or improper. Closely linked means connected or related. Stolen identities means using fake or illegally obtained personal information. Pull off the scam means successfully commit fraud. It is a phrasal verb. Unnoticed means not detected or ignored. Astonishingly, the banks through which the payments were routed did not raise red flags on the abnormally large cash deposits by importers. Astonishingly means surprisingly. Routed means directed through a system. Raise red flags means to signal suspicion or warning. It is an idiomatic expression. Abnormally large cash deposits means unusually high amounts of money being added to accounts. Where they were raised, it is unclear if any action was initiated. Unclear means not known or certain. Action was initiated means steps were taken. It is also mind-boggling that the customs authorities could not see that the imported equipment had been invoiced at a highly inflated price. Mind-boggling means extremely surprising or hard to believe. Customs authorities means officials responsible for checking imported goods. Invoiced means billed or recorded as a purchase. Highly inflated price means a price that is much higher than the actual value. It is now more than a year and a half since the scandal came to light and an investigation was launched. Scandal came to light means the fraud was exposed or discovered. It is an idiomatic expression. Investigation was launched means an inquiry was started. Yet new details keep emerging thanks to a painstaking inquiry by a parliamentary panel. New details keep emerging means fresh information continues to come out. Painstaking inquiry means a very detailed and careful investigation. Parliamentary panel means a group of lawmakers assigned to examine an issue. The inquiry undertaken by the panel is crucial not just to hold those involved accountable, but also to identify the gaps in the current AML/CFT regime and its enforcement to prevent the recurrence of future scams. Inquiry undertaken means an investigation conducted. Crucial means very important. Hold those involved accountable means make the guilty people face consequences. Identify the gaps means find weaknesses. AML/CFT regime means anti-money laundering and countering, financing of terrorism, rules and policies. Enforcement means making sure the rules are followed. Recurrence means happening again. Not too long ago, Pakistan faced the threat of being declared a pariah by the FATF because of its weak AML/CFT regime. Face the threat means was at risk. Declared a pariah means officially labeled as an outcast or isolated. It is a metaphor. FATF means Financial Action Task Force, an international body that monitors financial crimes. Weak AML/CFT regime means ineffective anti-money laundering policies. It was after 3 years of immense effort and improvement in the framework that the global watchdog let Pakistan off the hook. Immense effort means very hard work. Improvement in the framework means making the system better. Global watchdog means an international monitoring organization. Off the hook means freed from a difficult situation. It is an idiomatic expression. It is therefore crucial that the inquiry by the parliamentary panel be fully supported by the authorities. Crucial means very important. Inquiry by the parliamentary panel means investigation by lawmakers. Fully supported means given complete backing. Published in Dawn, February 15, 2025, Inc.